I put a rubber band on your arm and it's so quick. It's just tight for a second.
What does it feel like?
It feels like a pinch. You ever had like mosquito? It's really not bad. It just boop. I promise. I don't do it slow. It's not big. It's just quick. It's really quick. You gonna let me look at your arm?
Oh, you won't stick it all of a sudden, will you?
No. I'm just putting the blue rubber band on your arm. Yeah, stop shaking. Yeah, stop shaking.
I'm trying.
I know. Just take deep breaths, baby. Deep breaths.
Mama, no! Mama, no! No, Mama, no!
Just take deep breaths. Look, that's it. There's no down there yet.
No, Mama, no!
Harley,
It's
she's just
just
looking at the
tight.
vein.
Hey, this is really big vein. It's really big.
But it's gonna hurt.
It's not. It's
How long
not.
will it take?
About 5 seconds. The whole thing. You mean, I'm gonna clean it. It's alcohol water.
I don't want to do this, Mama, no!
Well, nobody does.
No, Mama, no!
Oh, Sissy.
No!
Don't take that rubber band off your
No!
arm,
No! No! No, no, Mama, no, no!
baby. You're almost
Oh,
done.
my God. Oh, Mama, no!
Listen.
No, Mama, no,
Hey,
no, Mama, no.
I need to tell you something. Very important. We only want to do it once, not twice. Don't move your arm. Very important.
Okay.
Very important.
Okay.